So moving to our question number 5th, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If the withdrawal of amount from his bank is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So now you have to just understand the statement. The statement is that Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account, and then the next day he withdraws 1642. So now here is given, if the withdrawal of amount from bank is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? So firstly we will write the amount withdrawal as follows: amount withdrawal. So what is the amount withdrawal is represented by a negative integer, so we will write it as follows: 42 rupees. And now if the withdrawal of amount is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? If the withdrawal is represented by negative integer, then the deposit will be represented by a positive integer. So here we will write amount deposited. So what is the amount deposit? 2000 rupees. Now we have to find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. Okay, now how would we find it? Obviously we would subtract 2000 from 1642, but there is a thing in this question that if you want to subtract these both, then you cannot write it as 2000 minus 1642. No, you cannot write it like that, because minus will become plus, so it will be 14,000 and 1642, so it will be wrong answer. So you would write it as follows. So now you have to find out the current balance in Mohan's account. So how would you find it? You would find it like this: 2000 plus minus 1642, because what will here become? It will become plus minus minus, so it will be 2000 minus 1642. So here's the equation which we wanted to form. So now let us subtract these both. 2000 minus this is this. So now if we want to subtract these both, how would we do that? 2 1 10 9 9 10. So 2 minus 10 8, 4 5 6 7 8 9, 5 and 6 minus 9 3 and 0. So the answer will be 358 rupees. So the current balance in Mohan's account is 358 rupees. So this was our 5th question. Now let us move to our next question.